Alright, so this is the Highland Park area. This is 2 days after the flood. There's water. But if you go on this trail, keep going. There's no more trail, it's just all water. You see the trees are submerged in water over here. And at the end of this path is nothing else. It's supposed to lead all the way to the other side, which is back there. As you can see, the water's just running all on the grass. Nasty shit. About 20 meters after that should be the end of the river, but it extended all the way over here. This is not as bad as a couple days before, but no one was really allowed over here.